हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
A for lamb, red and sweet. B for ball, big bows on feet. C for cat says meow meow meow. D for dog, barking now. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for grapes, purple and green. H for hat, the best I've seen. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for juice, a fruity slice. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for monkey, jumps on trees. N for nasty little bees. O for orange, round and white. P for parrot, talking with might. Q for queen, wearing a crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining on me. T for tree, home for the bee. U for umbrella, keeps us dry. V for van, moving by. W for watch, ticking on hand. X for xylophone, music so grand. Y for yak, furry and strong. Z for zebra, stripes all along. Now we know our ABC. Sing and learn with you and me.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।